So how do I begin to implement this? So implementing positive thinking starts with this development and the use of these affirmations and how it's going to impact your brain. So the first step is to identifying your negative thought patterns is recognizing when negative thoughts arise. So it's that is the path of least resistance for most humans, is that you're going to immediately think towards the negative. That's just the easiest way. Something's going to go wrong today. I woke up in a bad mood today, and so everything's not going to go my way. One little thing goes awry, and well, the whole day's shot. I saw something on the news the other morning, and they were saying most people decide whether they're going to have a good day or a bad day. They can know that by 8:30 a.m. in the morning. That's crazy. It's your decision as to how that day is going to go. So anyway, pay attention to moments when you doubt your abilities and you talk yourself out of pursuing your dreams.